You like bouncing? Does that make you feel better? Kind of crazy bouncing, huh? You like that? What? You're stretching. Is that pretty fun? Crazy, crazy bounce, bounce. Should I stop? Would you be okay if I stopped it? No, you don't want me to stop? You want me to keep going? Just really crazy bouncing? Is that fun? Does that make you feel better? It looks kind of violent to me. Should I stop? What do you think? Is that a yawn or a cry? You tired of bouncing? Tired of bouncing? Hey, sweet pea. Oh, you want to bounce some more? Is the bouncing good? Kind of looks like fun. Uh-oh, now the bouncing's gonna make you cry? Oh. Do you want Mommy to pick you up, or do you want me to keep bouncing? What should I do? You tell me. Bouncy or pick up? Or swing? You like the bouncing? It's pretty cool. Got a little vibration going on in the chair too. Didn't like the aquarium part so much. Made me turn that off. A little too loud. Too many bubbles. Crazy fish. We could try it again. No? No? No aquarium? Okay. 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 We won't do the aquarium. Sorry. I like your shirt. You got a little robot on there? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Leave me alone. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. Don't talk about the wardrobe. I get it.